Hello everyone, it's me Abdullah and I am here with my first ever video on YouTube regarding trading and analysis. Today we'll talk about Bitcoin and how it's trading and how and what type of price action can we see next in the few days or even hours. So let's start from the macro time frame. If we look at the weekly chart, here we can see that the Bitcoin has broken down from its weekly 36 EMA, which is this golden yellowish line, and then the gray one is the 12th week EMA. And clearly, when we have seen in the past too that whenever this was broken down, we saw the retest of it and then rejection, and it was the start of the bear market, and it continued for almost, if we measure it, almost for like over a year. So that's what is happening now. We got a retest, we dropped down, we broke the structure, and then we retested it, and now we are going down. And if everything goes according to the plan, we will make some bottom right here around this level, and around 40,000, 30,000. Cause why I'm saying that around 40,000, if we again measure it from the high to the low, it was a 76% drop. So if we are expecting that Bitcoin cycle repeats every year, the 76 to 72, 72 to 76% drop is somewhere around this level. But there is one thing that needs to be noticed, and that is that every year the Bitcoin drawdowns, every year, every cycle, every Bitcoin's drawdowns and Bitcoin's new all-time highs decreases. So if this was 75% drawdown, the 2020 cycles high was staggering 1594% increase from the lows. This time it was 638%, so it was almost half the increase. So if we take that as a barometer and we measure it again from this top of $1,26,000 to now, we can see the not 76% drop, but we can expect a 60% drop from here, which makes it to the 48,000 level, or around 40. We, what, this consolidation which we see right here, this previous bull cycle consolidation is where we can see it going, and we can do some like deviations like this, maybe this too, but after some consolidation we will eventually see something like this on the higher time frame. So that's what I'm expecting. We are short, or we are bearish on the higher time frame. And now after that, let's go to the daily time frame. Daily time frame is also, it's bearish as well, and we have been going down since 16 January, and it's been coming, the price of Bitcoin has been constantly going downwards, and we have seen almost a 36% drop. That's like one of the biggest drawdowns, not the biggest, but it is one of the drawdowns which we have seen before too. And after, if we again do some research, whenever Bitcoin drops 36%, 34%, something in the range between 30 to 38% sudden drop, we see a range forming, and then we go up or low. So we again see in the previous year from 19 January after the Trump elections and the inauguration, we got a drop in the Bitcoin's price and it went down till $74,000, and it was what, a 32% drop. So now after this drop, I am what I want to see and what I am, you know, predicting is that we're gonna make a range here. I don't know how long of a range it will be, but we will see a range before breaking downwards again. So that's what's happening. And if I remove this drawing, and we can see that right now we are below the 12-day EMA. So the price is so weak. What is 12-day EMA? 12-day EMA is the average price of the last 12 candles of the last 12 days in this example. So the price is so weak that it is not able to break the 12-day average price of Bitcoin, which is right now 69,700. And if we can see right here, the candles are constantly closing here, then here, then here, then we saw that again here. It's a strong resistance level. So 70,555 is our line in the sand, which needs to be, you know, reclaimed if we want to see something upper like this. Ignore my bad drawings, I'm just trying to explain you guys. But you can see that it's constantly rejecting, it's constantly rejecting, it's constantly rejecting. So that's not a good sign at all. And this is a strong and major support zone. And if we look here, we had this massive almost 14% downward move in a single day, and then the next day we had this engulfing candle which was like 12%. So we reclaimed most of it, but after massive liquidations obviously. But when we reclaimed this level, we saw that we have formed this consolidation area, and now we are right now ranging in this tight range, and the price is not moving that much. And if you can notice one thing, what I am expecting for today, for the Wednesday 18th of February, I'm expecting to be a bearish day, and the reason for that is simple. We took out the low of this of the previous 2 days candle, and then we took out the previous day. We're gonna take out this, if we take out, sorry, my bad, if we take out this low, this day's candles low too, we are going downwards. And if we're going downwards, I want to see support here. I want to see the price resting here. I don't want it to go below it if we want to see some upwards move. But that's now in the game plan of, you know, waiting. So nothing much of a trade, to be honest, right now in the daily time frame, except that we are bearish. But if we go to the 4-hour time frame now, 4-hour time frame is also, we have this major support resistance level, which I just showed you on the higher time frame of 70,555. And after that we have this zone. So we are ranging basically here. See, it's a range, it's a range, it's a range. So that's what's happening here. And we can see the price of Bitcoin ranging here. I want to see the price of Bitcoin coming low and sweeping the lows and then reclaiming it. So I'll take a long position. So that can be a entry criteria for a long position, which is stops at the recent low. But do not just enter the trade when the price comes here. The validation or the entry criteria should be that the price should first deviate from here. Deviation means round, makes it round. It's not picture perfect round, but it's round like this. It's round like this. This is what we call a deviation. So when price rejects from here, makes this round move, it's time to take a long position and target for the upside. So this is that, and after that if we look at the 15 minutes time frame, the shorter time frame, the price is in a downtrend. You can see the price is trending down. If we make this a channel, it's clearly rejecting again from the channel ends. So rejection 1, rejection 2, just recently a couple of hours ago a rejection from here too, then a rejection from here, then a rejection from here, then a rejection from here. So we are just, what we want to see now is that I'm gonna see a downward trend and then up a reclaim. So that's what I'm trying to see and looking for. Well, that's that for this video. Nothing much to add, but the overall market trend right now is bearish. We are bearish on the higher time frame, the weekly, the daily, in the 4-hour we are ranging. We have created a range, and we want a deviation. If we want to see we want to see the lows getting swept and then a deviation, and then after that deviation we want to see upwards move. And the lower time frame, the shorter time frame, 15 minutes chart, we are still moving downwards, and I am bearish for this day today. So that's the video. Hopefully you would like it. It's my first ever video, and I'm trying to speak in English. My apologies for my bad vocabulary, or if I'm mumbling more than enough more often, because that's my not native language. So I apologize for that, but hopefully if you like this video, if you have liked this video, please do subscribe to my YouTube channel, and like this video, comment what do you think, what are your analysis, and if you want me to make a separate video on any other coin or anything, crypto coin, or if you want to add some your opinions which you want me to discuss in another video, please do let me know in the comments. Thank you so much. Take care.